Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and getting old, it's when you get happy that you have a can and bottles organized inside of your fridge. You know what? I don't care. This is just so awesome. This one holds up to 25 cans, and also you can see that you can put bottles, whatever the big ones. I mean, not the big ones, but the tallest one than this one. Or you can put just like regular cans or thin cans like this one, like the tall ones, or the mini cans over here. This is just so great. I mean, you can just like put this one in your fridge, you can put it in your freezer, or you can put it outside like an organizer and put them inside of the freezer when you're done. But this one just, that's it. That's everything you need to do, whatever the size, you don't care. This is just so fantastic to have, and just make sure that you have all these cans organizing and just not kind of like cluttering your freezer. I want to say, or like your fridge, not cluttering for sure, and just putting things on top. If you want, you can do it because this one is light without any issues, as you can see. Up to 25 cans, super easy assemble, probably like in about 5 or 7 minutes. It's gonna take you no more than that. And then as you can see, you can put bottles, you can put cans, you can put mini cans, just name it. This is just fantastic for your fridge, organizing 101. Yeah, I'm getting old and I don't care. I enjoy these things.